Generating documents from Salesforce data can be simple. No copy-paste, no middleware, no waiting. Data stays on platform and still becomes a finished document. DocGen by RavenApps, a lightweight, fully native app with docx support, so you can tailor before sending. Let's take a look. In Salesforce, we use the existing files feature and created a DocGen templates folder. For this demo, we'll show our order form template with merge fields from the opportunity, related account and line items. On the opportunity edit page, we've added our DocGen button component and set the template ID and query. Now on the page, clicking the button saves the document against the record, and as you can see in real time, opens it ready to review. Try it in a sandbox today. Install steps are in the description. Go live for $5 per user per month or $3 if you already have grids. DocGen ships in the same package as grids, so just one RavenApps package to upgrade. Need help building templates or queries? Book a call using the link below. Thanks.